With their powerful leaps, kangaroos have become the ultimate symbol of Australia, representing freedom, resilience, and the wild spirit of the continent. But behind this national icon lies a surprising truth. Their population now exceeds 50 million, outnumbering Australians 2 to 1. While tourists see them as graceful and gentle creatures, trotting elegantly across the grasslands, many farmers view them as a burden, consuming feed, wrecking fences, and crushing crops. To manage this imbalance, millions are legally harvested each year, sustaining an industry valued at nearly USD 125 million annually. Today on Agriculture Flow, we're diving into the fascinating yet controversial journey of the kangaroo. From a beloved national symbol, they've transformed into a powerful agricultural resource, leaping from Australia's wild outback to the global marketplace. What's the full story behind this? Let's find out now. The familiar image of kangaroos as gentle, hopping marsupials with pouches represents only a fraction of their true nature.
I like this one.
Huge.
In reality, adult males can exceed 6 feet in height, weigh over 200 pounds, and deliver kicks with a force of approximately 850 psi, powerful enough to cause serious injury. Kangaroos are also highly social animals, often gathering in large groups known as mobs. These mobs compete directly with livestock for forage and frequently damage farm infrastructure, particularly fences, imposing considerable costs on Australia's agricultural regions. Another critical factor is their reproductive capacity. A single female can give birth to as many as 4 offspring or joeys in a single year. This rapid reproductive cycle has fueled exponential population growth, with national numbers reaching tens of millions. The ecological consequences are severe. Overgrazed pastures, reduced resources for cattle, and disruptions to the balance of entire ecosystems. To mitigate this crisis, the Australian government has implemented a regulated culling program.
Wild kangaroos being chased by a predator.
Each year, professional hunters are licensed to harvest between 3 and 5 million kangaroos, representing only 10–20% of the total population. This policy aims to reduce environmental pressures while maintaining population sustainability.
Good catch. Good catch. Oh, mate.
But to understand why controlling the kangaroo population has become so necessary, we must look deeper into the secret in the pouch, a place that holds this animal's bizarre and powerful evolutionary breeding strategy. The kangaroo's breeding strategy is considered one of the most unique adaptation mechanisms in the animal kingdom. They are able to adjust the timing of their reproduction depending on weather conditions and food availability. Typically, after heavy rains help the grasslands regenerate, males will enter into fierce boxing matches to gain access to females. What's even more surprising is that the joey, a baby kangaroo, is born tiny, about the size of a jelly bean, and is almost completely undeveloped. Instead of growing up in the harsh environment, it immediately crawls into its mother's warm pouch, where it continues to develop safely for 6 to 8 months. The most endearing moment is when the joey finally pokes its head out for the first time. That image always delights viewers. It's both adorable and a living testament to the unique evolutionary secret that has allowed kangaroos to survive and thrive in massive numbers over thousands of years. However, this evolutionary success, the very thing that allowed the kangaroo population to boom, also presents an enormous challenge to population control.
Yeah.
In a dual effort to safeguard the grasslands and sustain the export market for meat and leather, the Australian government responded by approving a maximum culling quota of nearly 5 million individuals in 2023. But hunting kangaroos is far from easy. With their incredible speed, keen senses, and unpredictable leaps, kangaroos are a true challenge for any hunter. Unlike hog hunting in the US, baiting or trapping is completely ineffective and strictly prohibited here because it causes suffering.
To exchange data for a certain hobby that they're interested in, right?
Instead, licensed hunters use scoped rifles and powerful spotlights, taking precise shots from a distance of 150-200 meters in the darkness, the time when kangaroos are most active. A professional can harvest between 30 and 70 animals in a single night, contributing to the roughly 2 million individuals removed annually. This entire process isn't just about skill, it's a rigorous system of population control. The Australian government requires every harvested kangaroo to be accounted for by its tail, the part that is severed and submitted as legal proof. Unfortunately, hunts are not always clean. At times, mothers carrying young or nursing their joeys are killed, leaving the babies orphaned. Animal rescue groups like Wires work tirelessly to save them, but only a small fraction survive, fueling heated debates about the line between natural resource exploitation and compassion. Once the hunt is done, the real test begins, transporting the catch. Each kangaroo is immediately hung in specialized refrigerated trucks. This strict temperature control is the first and most important step to keeping the meat fresh and meeting hygiene standards. Upon arrival at the processing plant, the scale of this industry becomes apparent. The lines have to handle and inspect up to 5,000 kangaroo carcasses daily. Here, experts conduct an initial check based on stringent physical criteria. The meat's color, freshness, and texture must be perfect. Notably, not all of them make the cut. Only about 90% of the individuals that meet the rigorous quality standards are approved for further processing stages. This is a testament to the professionalism and high standards the industry must adhere to. After passing the initial inspection round, the kangaroos are moved into the processing area, which maintains the highest hygiene standards. Here, a team of skilled butchers quickly handles the work. The kangaroos are hung on the line, professionally skinned, and the meat sections are precisely cut and portioned according to the market's diverse needs. The crucial point for maintaining the quality of the exported meat is the preservation technology. Immediately after processing, the meat is treated using the vacuum seal technique and is quickly preserved at extremely low temperatures, often below 35 Celsius, 31 Celsius. The entire process is strictly controlled to ensure absolute quality and safety for international consumers. Finally, the product is vacuum packaged, detailed labels are applied, and a traceability system is integrated, ensuring transparency from the plant to the table. Kangaroo meat is not only a commercial product, but also a sought-after superfood. Its global consumer appeal lies in its superior nutritional profile. It's an extremely low-fat meat, often less than 2%, very high in protein, and an excellent source of iron and beneficial omega-3 fatty acids. What makes the biggest difference is its reputation as a green, clean, and sustainable meat. Since kangaroos are harvested from the natural environment, they require no industrial farming, avoiding the need for large amounts of land and water like livestock, which makes it an ideal choice for environmentally conscious consumers.
Kangaroo meat.
Given these advantages, kangaroo meat is increasingly favored in international cuisine, appearing in a variety of forms, from premium steaks and sausages to minced meat, cementing its position on the global culinary map. But meat is only half the story. Kangaroo hides are also fully utilized. The secret lies in the incredible physical properties. Kangaroo leather is 50% stronger than cowhide of the same thickness, while still retaining supreme flexibility, lightness, and absolute durability. The transformation journey from raw material to premium product is a high-tech process. The hides are soaked, washed, and chemically treated in large drums to remove impurities. Hours of tumbling help soften the leather, turning them into pliable materials with remarkable durability. After being air-dried or gently heat-dried, they are flattened with hydraulic presses to smooth the surface. Automated systems then apply pigments, ranging from basic browns, blacks, and grays to more luxurious colors, before a final heat press is applied to create shine and uniformity.
Vegetable tan kangaroo colors. This is well dried true brown. I'll show that much shine light on there. That's pretty much so is another staple we have everyone seems to love is tan. That's really and we've got new colour on now. This is emerald. And it's a little bit of blue. Even we've got another new one we haven't had before. This is metallic. And you can't really see terribly well in the video. It really doesn't show it's very gorgeous. This is
The Napa is going to be your chrome tan, real soft in temper, great for footwear.
Thanks to this extraordinary quality, Kangaroo leather has become a sought-after premium material in both the sports industry, soccer, cleats, gloves, and especially in luxury fashion.
And the great one will sell for $95. Great, the red. Really cool, very soft hide.
Leading global brands like Gucci, Prada, and Hermes have utilized this leather to create products worth thousands of dollars.
Comfort craftsman sole, and comfort is strong and durable leather, being Kangaroo.
Very subtle.
And
Beyond the runways, Kangaroo leather finds new life in everyday craftsmanship. In the workshop, raw Kangaroo leather is also transformed into belts. Skilled craftsmen cut long, precise strips and refine the edges with beveling tools. Heavy rollers flatten the material, compressing the fibers to maximize strength. Industrial machines then stitch firm, even seams along each strip. The final touch is identity. Logos and product details are hot stamped into the back, serving as proof of origin and quality.
lines.
From wild hide to polished accessory, every Kangaroo belt reflects a balance of machine precision and human craftsmanship. Rugged, refined, and built for everyday wear. The transformation journey doesn't stop at belts. The Kangaroo wallet demands an even higher degree of precision. Only the softest, most flawless hides are selected for this step. The panels are meticulously cut, flattened, and prepared for assembly, with custom hardware added according to the design vision. Stitching is an act of absolute precision. Strong, seamless lines and laser-straight folds are essential to ensure a smooth, effortless opening and closing motion. Glue is skillfully applied to create foundational durability, while the edges are precisely shaped, polished, and sealed. In the final stage, the wallets are professionally shaped, trimmed, and treated with conditioning oil to deepen the color and enhance the velvety softness. Every finished Kangaroo wallet is a tangible testament to the patience, precision, and masterful handiwork poured into its creation. The transformation from a wild animal on the Australian savanna into a high-end fashion product truly makes for a remarkable story of economic value and craftsmanship. Kangaroo meat doesn't just stop in Australia. It has grown into a valuable global distribution commodity. After being processed and packaged to high standards, this product is exported to over 60 countries, with key markets including Germany, the Netherlands, and China. The total export volume reaches approximately 4,000 tons annually, contributing to the impressive economic value of the kangaroo meat industry, which is estimated at over $200 million per year. In Australia itself, demand is also very strong. Kangaroo meat is widely promoted in large supermarkets, specialty stores, and featured on the menus of many international restaurants. This widespread presence proves that kangaroo meat has transitioned into a globally recognized and sought-after sustainable protein source. And that is the impressive journey of a national icon. From its free leaps across the wild savanna, through strict harvesting regulations, to a modern processing line, it becomes both a sustainable food source and a global luxury product. The kangaroo embodies a delicate synergy of nature conservation, cultural value, and commercial benefit. What about you? What do you think about this balance? Share your views in the comments, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss unique stories from the world of agriculture and industry.